Dear viewers, how are you? I hope all are fine and I am fine too. So today I will gonna show to all of you how to make edamame. So এটা হচ্ছে এক ধরনের মটরশুঁটি সিম বলে। সো আমাদের এখানে শেফ কীভাবে এটা বানায় এবং আমরা কত টাকা সেল করি সবগুলো আপনাদেরকে বিস্তারিত বলবো। তো ভিডিওটি না টেনে সম্পূর্ণটি দেখুন। Dear viewers, our chef Mr. Moin, he will show to all of you how to make edamame. Okay, so let's see.
I make today edamame for breakfast. Is 500 gram, 1 water, 250 gram. How to make? I show you now.
So first you have to boil some water, okay, and make sure water is clean, everything is good, okay. So one order 250 grams, I repeat 250 grams one order, okay. So already this water is now boiled.
Now this one, all 250
The
grams.
chef is putting this one.
Only 20 seconds.
Only 20 seconds you have to boil. So 20 seconds only you will boil. Our chef you will boil only 20 seconds. Okay? 20 মিনিট বয়েল করা প্রায় শেষ। So then what you have to do, you have to remove this water and make sure you remove all water. Check the water, okay? Make sure you already remove the water, okay? So and then you take the plate or something, okay?
In the plate.
So this is gonna edamame. See, you remove the water and you put on the bowl. So it's looking so nice, and he put on the top some salt,
In the book.
just little salt only. So this is gonna edamame. So thank you very much. Look. So finish this one, chef. Thank you.
Ready?
So what is the name this one? Edamame?
Edamame.
Okay. Thank you.